Hello everybody, I'm Schiller and welcome back to my figure channel. Today I'm going to present Makima, the popular anime Chainsaw Man. Double the trouble, double the dominance. Both Makima and Power come from FuRyu's incredible BiCute Bunnies line, and seeing them together like this, it's a total game changer for any Chainsaw Man collector. Let's take a closer look at the elegance of the red suit first. Starting at the very top, she comes with a separate headband featuring the bunny ears. It attached securely and the sculpt of the hair keeps it sitting very well. Now of course Makima never appeared in this pose outfit in the anime, but when we look at the face sculpt, they have perfectly captured that serene yet dominant expression from her reference art. It's spot on. A determining detail from FuRyu in the BiCute Bunny series is that they reuse real fabric tights, making it a premium feel at a fraction of the price. For clarification, this is a FuRyu price figure from the legendary BiCute Bunny series. FuRyu really set the bar high with this line. Also, these figures from FuRyu from the BiCute Bunnies are really tall, especially with the bunny ears. They are much taller than the normal figurines and they can get up to 30 centimeters. They're huge compared to others. You'll see in other videos comparisons. Panning down the figure, we encounter these striking long crimson red boots with a high gloss finish. They are packed securely into the stand, providing its solid stability. I hope you enjoyed this detailed look at Makima. She really is a standout piece from FuRyu BiCute Bunnies line, perfectly capturing that cold elegance we know from the series. I leave you now to enjoy the rest of the turntable footage and the custom J-Rock track made specifically for this showcase. Thank you for watching and I hope I'll see you again with the next video. Bye bye!
指先が語る静寂の中で動かない時間支配する瞳ウサギの耳が闇を切り裂いて私の心疲らえて離さないマキマ君は触れられない永遠に触れられないマキマ静かにDon't forget to subscribe to my channel!